Victory: Applying the Proven Principles of Military Strategy to Achieve Success in Your Business and Personal Life is a book written by Brian Tracy. In this book, he examines the principles of military strategy and how they can be applied to achieve success in both business and personal life. Some of the key themes in the book include the importance of clear goals and objectives. Tracy stresses the importance of setting clear and specific goals, and then developing a plan to achieve them. He suggests using the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, when setting goals, and then breaking them down into smaller, actionable steps. The role of planning and preparation. Tracy discusses the importance of planning and preparation in achieving success, both in business and in personal life. He notes that effective planning and preparation can help you anticipate and overcome obstacles, as well as increase your chances of success. The value of perseverance and persistence. In the book, Tracy highlights that success is rarely achieved overnight, and that perseverance and persistence are essential for achieving long-term goals. He suggests developing the mindset and habits that will allow you to persist in the face of obstacles and setbacks. The power of effective leadership. Tracy suggests that effective leadership is a key component of success, both in business and in personal life. He notes that good leaders must be able to inspire, motivate, and guide others to achieve a common goal. The value of flexibility and adaptability. Tracy notes that change is a constant in both business and personal life, and that flexibility and adaptability are essential for achieving success. He suggests developing the ability to adapt to new situations and being open to new ideas and methods. Throughout the book, Tracy uses examples from military history and strategy to illustrate the points he makes, and provides practical tips and strategies for applying these principles to your own life.